Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a trade right here in FX Replay. And with placing a trade, we mean that you can journal your way through the chart. So with that, I mean, if we place a trade, you can see how that trade did in exactly the moment where our chart is standing on. So that means that if I'm placing right now a trade, that I can know how that trade would work out on January the 1st. So what we're going to do right now is we click here on order, select right here a buy order and a market order. So we buy immediately right here, and then select right here the price. So I want to order 10 lots. Then you can put a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. And then after that, you can also add text, but that's not necessary right now. And then we click right here on save. So right now we created ourselves here on the chart a position, and now if we click here on play, you see right here how our trade is doing on the chart. So this is how you can place a trade right here on FX Replay. It works totally different than on a normal broker system because this is a backtest platform. So keep that in mind. But this is how you can place a trade or a order on FX Replay. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.